This video will show you how to speed up a video clip in CapCut. Sometimes, you need to speed up a part of the video. This is especially so if it covers a repetitive action. Or you could have a slow-motion video that you want to speed up. You can easily do this with CapCut by following these steps. First of all, you want to import the video into CapCut. Then, drag the clip onto the timeline. Here we have a slow-motion jogging video. Of course, it is repetitive action. So, we want to speed up a certain portion of it. First, let's choose the portion we want to speed up. Choose the start point, and then hit the split button. Next, select the endpoint and hit the split button again. Then, select the portion. Next, on the top right, select Speed. The Speed panel opens up. We can see that the default speed is 1.0. When you drag the slider, you can go up to the maximum speed, depending on your clip length. Let's increase the speed to 3 times. Let's try 4 times. Finally, 5 times. Let's export the clip to see what the final video looks like. We can see that the video has now been sped up in the middle. That's how you speed up a video in CapCut. Go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.